Let's see how to access and use Hostinger Vps. So first of all, we need to log into our Hostinger Edge panel. Here on the left menu, we will see the VPS option. So we are going to click on it. And now we can easily set up VPS from here. We can build applications, host websites, or play games with VPS. Now if you want to set up the VPS, just click on Setup from here. Select the location from here. Now for the operating system, we will select plain OS, and after that from here we will select Ubuntu, select the version, and then click on select. After selecting the application, just click on next, add a password, select the additional features from here and then click on next. And now we need to purchase the VPS plan that we want. Select the plan based on your requirements and then click on select from here. And in this way your VPS setup will be completed and you can easily use VPS on Hostinger. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.